Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dashcams, that tech that's becoming less of a luxury and more of a necessity these days. Whether you're looking for extra security on the road, want that extra layer of protection in case of an accident, or just want to capture some amazing footage on your next road trip, I've got you covered. We're breaking down the top 5 dashcams on the market right now, from budget-friendly options to premium picks, each with their own strengths and quirks. So buckle up, let's get this show on the road. First up, we're taking a look at the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Now, Garmin is a name you can trust, and they've brought their A-game to the dashcam world. This little guy is all about that wide-angle view, rocking a 180-degree field of vision. That means you're capturing everything happening in front of you, from sidewalk to sidewalk. No more blind spots, no more surprises. And the best part is, it's incredibly compact. I mean, this thing is tiny. It's not going to obstruct your view at all, which is a huge plus for me. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W also boasts voice control, so you can keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Just say the word, and the camera starts recording, takes a still image, or even saves a video clip. It's super convenient, especially if you need to quickly document something on the go. Now, in terms of video quality, we're looking at crisp 1440p footage. It's not quite 4K, but trust me, it's more than enough to capture those license plates and all the details you need. But hey, no product is perfect, right? And the Garmin Dash Cam 67W does have a couple of drawbacks. First off, it's a bit on the pricier side compared to some other dashcams out there. You are paying for that Garmin quality and those extra features, so it depends on your priorities. And second, it doesn't have some of the more advanced features you might find in higher-end models, like driver assistance systems or cloud connectivity. But if you're looking for a reliable compact dashcam with a wide-angle lens and voice control, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we're stepping things up a notch with the Nexbase 622GW. This dashcam is packing some serious heat, starting with its ability to record in stunning 4K resolution. That's right, crystal clear footage that captures every single detail. And it's not just about the resolution. The Nexbase 622GW also features some of the best image stabilization I've seen in a dashcam. So even if you're driving on bumpy roads, your footage will be smooth and stable. But here's where things get really interesting. The Nexbase 622GW comes equipped with an Emergency SOS feature. In the event of an accident, it can automatically alert emergency services with your location, which could be a lifesaver. It also has built-in GPS, so you can track your routes, speed, and location, which is great for those road trips, or if you need to provide evidence of your whereabouts. Now, all this cutting-edge tech does come at a price, and the Nexbase 622GW is definitely one of the more expensive options on this list. But if you're looking for the best of the best, a dashcam that can do it all, then the Nexbase 622GW is definitely worth the investment. However, there are a couple of things to consider. The 622GW is a bit on the larger side, so it might be more noticeable on your windshield. And some users have mentioned that the menu system can be a bit clunky at times. But overall, the Nexbase 622GW is a feature-packed powerhouse that delivers exceptional video quality and peace of mind on the road. Now, if you're looking for maximum coverage, the Vantrue N4 has got you covered, literally. This dashcam rocks not one, not two, but 3 cameras, giving you a complete 360-degree view of your surroundings. You've got a front-facing camera, a cabin-facing camera, and a rear-facing camera, so you can capture everything happening inside and outside your vehicle. This is perfect for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who wants that extra level of security. And speaking of security, the Vantrue N4 also excels in low-light conditions. It features Sony StarVise sensors and a wide aperture, which allows it to capture clear footage, even at night. Plus, it has a parking mode that automatically starts recording if it detects any motion or impact while your car is parked. So you can rest assured knowing that your car is being monitored even when you're not around. Now, the Vantrue N4 does have a couple of downsides. The user interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, especially with all the different camera settings and options. And setting it up can be a bit of a process, especially if you're not familiar with dashcams. But once you get it up and running, the Vantrue N4 is a reliable and versatile dashcam that offers unparalleled coverage and peace of mind. Let's talk about the Thinkware U1000, a dashcam that's all about high-end specs and smart features. We're talking 4K resolution on the front camera and a crisp 2K resolution on the rear camera, capturing every detail in stunning clarity. But the Thinkware U1000 is more than just a pretty picture. It also boasts built-in cloud connectivity. That means you can access your footage from anywhere, anytime, using your smartphone. And it gets even better. The Thinkware U1000 comes with advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS for short. These features include lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, and even driver attention monitoring. It's like having a co-pilot right there with you, keeping you safe on the road. Of course, all this technology comes at a premium price. The Thinkware U1000 is definitely an investment. And some users have mentioned that the installation process can be a bit complex, especially if you're opting for the hardwiring kit for parking mode. But if you're looking for a top-of-the-line dashcam with advanced features and cloud connectivity, the Thinkware U1000 is definitely worth considering. Last but not least, we have the Viofo A129 Pro Duo, a dashcam that proves you don't have to break the bank for great performance. This dual-channel dashcam offers a great balance of features and affordability, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious drivers. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo records in 1440p resolution on the front camera and 1080p on the rear camera, delivering clear and detailed footage. It also features a wide dynamic range, which helps to balance out exposure in challenging lighting conditions, like those super sunny days or nighttime drives. And even though it's a budget-friendly option, the Viofo A129 Pro Duo doesn't skimp on features. It comes with built-in GPS for location and speed tracking, as well as Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can easily transfer footage to your smartphone. Now, no product is perfect, and the Viofo A129 Pro Duo does have a couple of areas where it could improve. Some users have reported that the app functionality can be a bit buggy at times, and the build quality might not be as premium as some of the other dashcams on this list. But for the price, the Viofo A129 Pro Duo is an incredible value, offering solid performance and a range of features that make it a great option for budget-minded drivers. So there you have it, the top 5 dashcams on the market right now. From wide-angle views to 4K resolution and even cloud connectivity, there's a dashcam out there for every driver and every budget. Let me know in the comments which one you think is the best, or if there's another one you recommend. I'm always down to check out new tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. See you in the next video.